There's an old saying, you can't dodge it, ram it. You should be aware that in 1989, the national speed limit was 55 miles an hour. So this truck was engineered and designed for that. Top speed is 70 miles per hour, going uphill or downhill. Contact me if you want a copy of the service record. Have a great day. Alright, to conserve time, this video is operating at faster than high speed, but the engine is, Cummings turbo diesel, 4-wheel drive, new paint job. It's got a trailer hitch there, and it got 4 snow chains that'll come with it also. Fits these wheels. And no dents. It's got original fabric. Used to be some material up on the roof there, but it wore out. And by the way, the odometer has turned over once. At this time, the fuel gauge is not working. The amp gauge never has worked since it was brand new. And door panel, seats. I'll show you, it's got 2 gear shifts. That's the main one, and then this one here is for the 4-wheel drive. Okay, here are the floor mats, and here's what the back looks like. A window that opens. Yes, I am a member of the AOPA. Show you what the top looks like here. That's how you release the hood. Come around the front here. A little heavy there. Anyway, here's the engine compartment. Get out of the...
That one time, it's the first time it happened, the music started like on Thursday and it ended at 4 a.m. Monday morning. And I thought, without the beating, I'm convinced my heart...
Alright, here's engine coolant, windshield wiper fluid, turbocharger. You can check that out. See if we can get a... might be kind of dark. Here's where you check the oil. Okay, this video has been speeded up to help conserve time, but it's a video of the undercarriage. Notice there are no leaks, no rust, and tires are looking good there. Here's the exhaust pipe, good shape. Got a trailer hitch here. 2 different, hardwired light plug cords. And there's the back axle, no oil leaks. The left side of the undercarriage. And I'm going to give you one more close-up look of the front differential there. Look at that.